roadmap.
Hi, I'm Julia,
Hi, I'm Danny.
and today we're going to talk about Mars in a box.
Experiment number 3. What is it?
So the experiment number 3 is called Earth-Martian sunsets. For this experiment, we need transparent rectangular tank, for example, a fish tank, and we need milk, something to measure the milk with, so for example, a syringe, and we need a flashlight. We also need polarizers and a laser to test the polarizers.
So, what do I do?
So because we have 10 liters of water, we should first start with 20 milliliters of milk.
Okay, so I'll put it in a jar. And put it in the water. And shake it a little.
So next, let's turn off the lights. So as you can see, it's more bright in the beginning.
Okay, and it's like kind of bluish. And then along the path of light, it becomes reddish.
Okay, so let's look at the end with the transmitted light. So now let's try with the laser beam and put a polarizer in front of it to see what happens.
Well, it vanishes at some orientation, right?
Yes,
There's
clearly.
maximum and there is a minimum of light.
We just added much more milk, and now you can really see that the light does not reach the end. And you can also see at the start the blue light scatters and the red light goes further through.
So we're seeing light scattering in the tank. The small droplets of milk are scattering light the same way light scattered in the Earth's sky. That's why our sky is blue, and that's why we saw the blue color at the beginning of the path of the light when looking from the side.
And that is also why the red light goes through and we see red at the end. And this is also what happens during the sunsets on Earth.
So on Mars is not small droplets, it's not small particles, but larger particles. And larger particles are scattering the red color more efficiently. That's why the sky on Mars is red and the sunset is not that red or reddish as ours, it's kind of bluish.
When light scatters, the light is polarized, and this is what we were testing with the polarizer and the laser. And depending on the rotation of the polarizer, you can either see a minimum or a maximum.
And polarizers are very fun to play with. If you put two of them together and turn them over, you will see a black screen or half of the light passing through.
Roadmap.